In this video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Metrobank online banking. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. To activate the online banking services of Metrobank, you can visit metrobank.com.ph and use the login option here, where you will see Metrobank online, or just directly go to onlinebanking.metrobank.com.ph. Regardless of which option you choose, you will find yourself at this page. You are in good hands, and you can choose sign up. So if you have never used Metrobank online banking, you will have to create an account, but if you already have a username and password, simply sign up or sign in here. If you choose sign up, you will get the instructions. You are a few steps away from banking anytime, anywhere. So proceed to sign up and now input all of the necessary details. So a username and password, this is going to be used to log in to the services. First name, last name, and nickname, and then an optional middle name. And then you can choose between signing up using your credit card number or your deposit account number. Sadly, I don't have an active account on Metrobank, so I cannot show you this full process, but it's as simple as inputting all of the necessary information and proceeding. It is extremely intuitive. Of course, because it also contains a lot of personal stuff, I cannot show you all of this without blurring it all out. You will have all of the main steps at the top, so you will have details, passcode, confirmation, and then verification. You can sign in or sign up using your deposit account or credit card number, and it's as simple as filling out the details on this page. Once you have everything filled out, the account will be created and you will be given the credentials, the username and password. With those details in hand, then you can go over to login, choose Metrobank Online, and sign up on this page. So you input the username, you input the password, and you will be able to sign into your Metrobank online banking account. I hope I was able to help you on how to activate Metrobank online banking. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.